Welcome to my channel Thread Logic by Sid. Today we will make double crochet. For this we will need a hook of 5 millimeter and yarn, any type of yarn you have available. I took pink color yarn. So first we will make a slip knot. Just twist the yarn and pull through. This is the easiest way for making a slip knot, and hold it into your hook and just start with 20 foundation chains. We will take for this project 20 foundation chains. You can take how much you need, but for this project I need only 20 foundation chains, so I'm making 20 foundation chains like this. Just yarn over and pull through. Here you can see that I make 20 foundation chain. Now we are starting double crochet. For double crochet, first we will see the 1, 2 and 3, third chain, 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3 chain. After 3 chain we will insert the hook, yarn over and just 1, 2, 3. After 3 chain we insert the hook into the chain and yarn over and pull through. See, like this. 1, 2, 3 loops we get, and then yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. See, like this. And we have remained 2 loops and yarn over, and from this remaining 2 loops we take it out and like this. Pull the yarn and first double crochet make, and for second double crochet yarn over first I did, and then insert the hook into the chain, yarn over and pull through. See, I get 3 loops, yarn over and pull through from 2 loops like this, and yarn over and pull through from this remaining 2 loops like this. You can see I am giving you a very slow demonstration, then you can learn easily. Yarn over and insert the hook into the chain, yarn over and pull through, and now we have 1, 2, 3 loops like this, and then yarn over and pull through from 2 loops like this. Now 2 loops remain, then yarn over and pull through like this. Okay, then again yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. This is very easily we can make double crochet like this, yarn over and pull through, and it is very easy stitch like this. So you can make any type of thing, any type of blanket, any type of bags from this stitch. Insert the hook and yarn over and pull through like this. Now first round complete. See how beautifully it's done. Now we are going to second round. After this, at the end, we are just doing a simple double crochet, and at this point we turn the hook and round 2 start. And in round 2, firstly we will make 3 chains. In first round we leave 3 chain and then start first double crochet. So here in the second round, first we will make 3 chain for giving them a little bit height. 3 foundation chain I make for giving double crochet a little height. Okay, and then yarn over and insert the hook into double chain. In double chain we will insert the hook and pull through, yarn over. Same method we will apply and pull through from 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through from the 2 loops. See, this is second round and first double crochet of second round. Okay, and then second we insert the hook into double chain stitch, you can see here, and insert the hook and yarn over and pull through like this, yarn over and pull through. This is our second double crochet. Again yarn over and insert the hook into double chain and yarn over and pull through, and yarn over and pull through from the 2 loops like this, and yarn over and second time yarn over and pull through. In double crochet what we will do, that we 2 times we do yarn over and pull through from 2 loops and the 2 loops, and that it's mean that 2 times we do yarn over and pull through for making it. Firstly like this, first like that, yarn over and pull through from 2 loops. This is first yarn over and pull through. This is second yarn over we do in our double crochet like this. This is very easy method. If you practice at home, then you can easily make this double crochet like this. How beautifully it's look. See, and then we are at the end, cut the extra one and just pull the yarn, and see how beautifully it's done. So please don't forget to subscribe, like, share my video. Thank you.